Hi, my name is Marissa Ivy. I recently just got hired with Colorado Springs Rocky Mountain Restoration and Construction. I recently used to work for a customer as a CSR for a cash advance place. So when I came here, I knew how to answer the phones. I knew how to help with questions and stuff, but GREGG's training, when I first started here, Lance got me going on with GREGG's training. He really helped me out to be able to answer every question that the client might have over the phone for you. In cases of emergency, he really gives you good ways to get their concerns handled and get them on to where they're being helped and to where crews are going out to them, and makes those leads get your foot in the door, and you're pretty much in once your foot is in the door, and it helped me out a lot. Before I started this job, I did not know how to talk to a person about mitigation or just like the basic needs that you need for customer service. You have to be able to help the person trust you. And with GREGG, he gives you strategies, and he will give you example calls, and he will also, if you personally want to, he will come out of his way and schedule appointments with you so that you are able to get the training you need to make those calls and have those customers happy every time, and so that you don't miss any leads.